Hi, I'm Jenny Fish with One Big Happy Yarn Company, and welcome to our 2024 Block of the Month Knit Along. This block of the month is perfect for the knitter out there that wants to take a little dive into two-color knitting techniques. We'll be making 9 different blocks, everything from stripes to intarsia, two-color brioche, cables with 2 colors. So at the end of the year, you're gonna have this gorgeous blanket and you will have learned 9 different 2-color knitting techniques. So don't forget to get your kit at onebighappy.com. The kit includes the pattern and all the yarn that you'll need, and then meet me back here January 1st and we'll get started on the 2024 block of the month. Happy knitting!